The Royal Thai Air Force held a conference on India-Pakistan air combat, during which a high-ranking Royal Thai Air Force official has said that Indian Air Force's successful strike on multiple Pakistani bases without losses showed the failure of Pakistan's air defense and successful change of tactics by Indian Air Force. The Indonesian Air Force held 2 seminars on India-Pakistan air combat at its Air Force University. The Indian Defence Attaché participated in one of the seminars, but Pakistani Defence Attaché refused to participate in any of the 2 seminars, as satellite images of damaged Pakistani air bases were shown in the seminar's brochure. The Indian Army is planning to raise a dedicated first-person view drone platoons in every infantry battalion. Each FPV platoon will have around 230 personnel, including drone operators, technicians and support staff. And this move is aimed to enhance tactical capabilities for real-time reconnaissance, surveillance and precision strikes. Gujarat-based Protthapan Technologies has successfully tested its Gati precision grenade launching system at Pokhran in collaboration with the Indian Army. The Indian Army, in collaboration with a private sector partner, is developing a low-cost anti-drone swarm drone system featuring advanced swarm algorithms that can be launched from vehicles and aircraft, and will have the capability to counter large enemy swarm UAVs and loitering munitions. Each unit will cost under $500 and will carry a proximity-triggered explosive payload, designed for autonomous swarm operation without human control. The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has announced that the company is engaged in discussions with General Atomics to collaborate on providing maintenance services for the Honeywell TPE-331 engine that will power the upcoming 31MQ-9B drone, which is also utilized in Hindustan Aeronautics HTT-40 trainer and Dornier 228 transport aircraft. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders has acquired a controlling stake in Sri Lanka's Colombo Dockyard in a $52 million deal, which means that Mazagon Dock can now tap into commercial shipbuilding and repairs for global clients, and interestingly, Indian warships can now use Colombo Dockyard for repairs and refits. After showcasing its long-range land attack cruise missile at the Defense Exhibition Athens 2025 in Greece, India has formally offered its 1,500 km long-range land attack cruise missile to Greece, that would allow Greece to strike high-value targets deep inside hostile parts of Turkey or the eastern Mediterranean without risking aircraft or troops. Greece is also interested in the long-range land attack cruise missile, as it is more affordable than Western cruise missiles like Tomahawk or Scalp. According to latest media reports, India has expressed a strong preference for procuring the advanced S-500 air defense system. However, the sale of the S-500 would require approval from Russia's top leadership, given its status as a cutting-edge strategic asset. It is to be noted that Russia had offered India the opportunity for joint local production of the S-500 system in 2024, marking India as the first country globally to receive such an offer. The Indian Air Force's Su-30 fleet is set to be upgraded with a new advanced digital flight control computer developed by DRDO that will significantly enhance the Su-30's avionics suite and bring it closer to 5th-generation capability. The advanced system enables seamless integration with modern radars, electronic warfare suites, and next-generation smart weapons, giving the upgraded Super Sukhoi a decisive edge over regional and global adversaries. Military experts have recommended replacing the 80 km range Mica on the Mirage 2000 fighter jets with 110 km range Astra Mark I missiles. However, Dassault Aviation is reluctant to support the integration due to technical and commercial reasons, and is pushing the newer but costlier 120 km range Mica NG, which offers only marginal gains over the Astra Mark I. The Astra Mark I integration is estimated to cost 300 crores, and could be completed in 2 years by Hindustan Aeronautics, DRDO and Bharat Electronics. Today's top 3 comments.